Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show our system project titled Gamified E-Learning.
Gamified e-learning applies game-inspired strategies to digital learning environments to enhance student engagement and motivation. The objective of gamified e-learning is to enhance the learning experience by fostering engagement, motivation, and active participation. So, let's open our executable system. So first, you're gonna see the main page which is here. You need to choose if you are a student, the one who take the quiz or exam, and the admin, or we can also call it the teacher, the one who create the questions. So if, here if you click the student button, you're gonna choose another choices, which is the quiz type, multiple choice, and true or false. If I choose multiple choice, the fill up form will appear. You're gonna fill up a form for your information. After clicking Save and Next, the instruction frame will appear. This frame will give you instructions about the quiz. After reading all instructions, the quiz frame will execute. Here you can take the quiz that admin created in the admin button or admin dashboard. After answering all the quiz questions, there's a frame of result of the student. If you click back button, it will go back into the fill up form. If you click another back button, it will go to the main dashboard. So now, let's see the result of the quiz that we take earlier. First, click into the admin button. After clicking, we'll proceed to the login and sign up frame. So let's create an account first in the sign up. After creating, let's log in our new admin account. So here, we've been logged in to our admin dashboard. There's another choices that you need to choose. So I will choose the multiple choicing. I choose the multiple choice question earlier. So let's find the result of the student that take the quiz earlier in all student result. So here are the results of the quiz of the student. So now I'm gonna show you how the admin dashboard works. Let's go first to the update question. Here you can update your questions or answer by changing its value, and you can also search the questions in the question ID label. Let's go to all questions. Here you can see the all questions that I input earlier. After that, let's go to delete questions. But first, let's go to add questions so that the question that I add will be add in the all questions and I will delete it. So let's delete it. Since I delete the question 11, there's a message that appears on saying that the question doesn't exist. The back button will back to the main dashboard of the admin. And the logout will log out your account in the admin. So let's try the true or false question. If you click the true or false, the fill up form will appear same to the multiple choice. The process is the same that we encountered earlier. Let's see all the result of the student quiz in the admin. And here is the result. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.